Hello viewers, myself Dr. Rachna, homeopathic physician, chronic disease specialist. Today I am telling you about BBC and basal cell carcinoma for homeopathic treatment who does complete cure without any side effect. Basal cell carcinoma of skin cancer, BBC means it. This is most common form of skin cancer and that the most frequently occurring from all cancers. BBC arises from the abnormal uncontrollable growth of basal cells. Because BCCS grows slowly, most are curable and the causes of minimal damage when catch and treat easily. Causes of BBC: long-term exposure to ultraviolet radiation from sunlight and mutation in DNA and genetic disorder. These are causes of BCC. And signing symptom of BCC, basal cell carcinoma, is usually development of sun exposure part of your body and especially your hands and neck. BBC appearing on the change in the color of skin, like a pale white skin colored pink bumps and brown, black, blue lesion and flat scaly reddish patches and white and waxy scar like of lesion. These are signing symptom. And sometimes symptom is appearing in itching, burning, redness, eruptions, boils developing, like that. Treatment for the skin cancers. Treatment for cancer that they spread very rarely and BBC may spread the metastasis to the near to lymph nodes, other area of the body and such as target drug or therapy and chemotherapy. Risk factor of BBC and chronic sun exposure, radiation and therapy. Fair skin is the increasing age, a person of the family history of skin cancer, immunity suppressions and dangers and drug the exposure to the arsenic. Hereditary syndrome that the causes skin cancer such as the Nevoid basal cell carcinoma and Garlin-Gollet syndrome, xeroderma and pigmentosoma. Complication of BBC are risk of the recurrence and an increasing risk of other type of skin cancer that is spread beyond on the skin. Prevention of BBC and avoid to sun during the middle of the day. Wear sunscreen and your around SPF at the least 30. Wear protective of closing eyes and the clothing. Avoid tanning beads and cheeks your skin and regularly spreading. And check your skin regularly and day by day. When you outside, go and cover the face. Diagnosis of BBC: history of the genetic and physical examination such as medical history, change in your skin color, other signing symptom you have the experience, like skin examination, skin sample for the testing like biopsy. Treatment of BBC: surgical excision and most surgeries. Other treatment of curatives and the electrodesiccation and radiation therapies and freezing therapy and topical treatment and photodynamic therapy. This is a conventional treatment for BBC. Homeopathy remedies for BBC. And first, arsenic album 202 times a day for 24 weeks. Second medicine, Saclac 33 times a day for 24 weeks. You can use both medicines for 24 weeks. This is a homeopathy medicines depend on signing symptom, but lot of medicine in homeopathy for cancer who does complete cure. Homeopathy treatment process such as invalidation, case analysis, constitution, mental symptom and signing symptom and pathological investigation. So if you want to get cure completely, please consult nearby homeopathy physician. If you have not yet subscribe my channel, please request to please subscribe my channel, push bell icon and like and share. If you have any question on BBC, you can comment box.